Hi, well, my dear students, welcome to my class for 8th, the new chapter. I am going to start a new chapter in this video, that is materials, metals and non-metals. See, students, generally the materials are classified into two types, that is metals and non-metals. If we observe in our homes or in our surroundings, we have to observe so many materials like iron, copper, gold, silver, and the so many copper, platinum. These are all some materials, and also oxygen, sulfur, carbon. Some these are some other materials. So generally, metals and non-metals, these are combinedly we call as materials. Okay. So if you observe in bakeries, so the thin shiny colored paper is covered in the sweets, covered the sweets, right now. So do you observe that sheet? Right. One more thing. So what is the thing you used in the electric wires, inside the electric wires? So the cars, bus, vehicles, and other we use the so many materials we use for build the buildings. That may be in metals also, non-metals also. So these are the some materials have a shining, lustrous. Lustrous means shining capacity. Lustrous means shining capacity. The materials has some special properties. They are lustrous and they are hard. So some materials are hard and some materials are lustrous, and some materials are reactive with others. Some metals, sorry, some materials gives sounds, ringing sounds. These are all we call as these properties are present for the metals. See, students, so these metals occurred in nature in a different shapes and in a different sizes. So if you beat the metals, they will be converted into sheets. If you beat into the that we call as one a special property called malleability. Malleability. Malleability means the property of the metals, the property the property of metals property of metals which can be made into which can be made into thin sheets is called malleability. Malleability means the property of the metals which can be made into thin sheets. Where you observe the metal sheets, I already told, in bakery situations. The sweets are covered by silver plates or silver sheets. Right. Then in house, in front of house, we can observe the so many metal sheets or metal plates. What we eat in our plates right now. These are also metal plates, silver plates, golden plates, steel plates. This type of character we call as malleability. Metals has malleability. Generally, these metals are hard. Just compress the metals. What you feel? In metals, particles are tightly arranged. That's why these metals are hard. The metals are hard. And these metals are shiny, lustrous. Lustrous. This is what characteristics of metals. And one more important character, that is ductility. Ductility. So inside the electric wires, what you observe, the wires right now. These wires are made by metals. These wires are made by metals. So it is the one more important property. That means the property of metals, which can be made into wires. This is called ductility. Ductility, right? So ductility means making of thin wires. Making of wires we call as ductility. Making of thin sheets we call as malleability. Only metals has these properties. Only non-metals doesn't has malleability property and ductility property. If you beat the non-metals, they will be changed into powder. For example, sodium chloride, sodium. Okay, if you beat the sodium chloride in your houses, so just your home salt right now, so cooking salt. If you beat that particles, they will be changed into powder. Can you beat the oxygen or carbon? Can you beat the carbon? It will changes into powder. We cannot beat the gases, right? So that's why these non-metals does not occurs or does not has these malleability and ductility character. Okay, na? The characters of metals is quite opposite to non-metals. Okay, na? Metals has a different properties and non-metals also has different properties than the non-metals. Okay. So next one more important characters of metals, that is sonorous. Sonorous property. What is meant by this sonorous? This is a sound. This is a sound. When you observe in temples, we have a one big bell right now. If you hit that bell, what it gives? What it gives? It gives a ringing sound. If you beat any metals, it gives a one ringing type of sound that we call as sonorous sound. Sonorous means a ringing sound. Ringing sound we call as sonorous. So generally metals, these metals has a properties. Metals are hard, of course metals are hard, and these are lustrous. Lustrous means metals are having shiny property. Metals are lustrous, and metals are malleable, and metals are ductile. Metals are ductile, and metals gives a sonar sounds. Metal gives sonorous sound. These are the some important properties of what metals. And one more important thing, that is metals. These metals are good conductors. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Please remember, in metals we have to observe the electrons. Metal has electrons. The movement of electrons, we call as electrics or current. CURRENT, current or electricity. Or if you heat the one side of the metal, the heat is transferred from one side to another side. If you pass the electricity to some wires, this electricity is transferred from one side to or one end to another end. That's why these metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. If you just touch the wires, it will be gives to shock. Why? Because of the metals or wire carries the electricity. This electricity is passed from one end of the wire to another end. If you heat the any metal pieces, the heat will transfer into one side to another side. This is what the very important properties of metals. Okay, these non-metals. Non-metals doesn't has all these properties. If you these non-metals are here hard metals, but non-metals are soft. Non-metals are doesn't give lustrous. They are dull in nature. So non-metals doesn't give the malleability and ductility, and also doesn't give the sonorous sound. and non-metals does not conduct the electricity and heat. That's why non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. This is the general introduction of metals and non-metals. The very important concept, that is malleability and ductility. Malleability and ductility. I repeat, malleability means the property of metals. Malleability is a one property of metals, that means which can be made into thin sheets. Just remember this word, thin sheet. Metals is changes into thin sheets, we call as malleability. Ductility means metals is changes into wires. Just remember this word, wire. Wire, making of wire we call as ductility. Sonorous means ringing sound. The metals gives ringing sound. The type of sound we call as sonorous. These are the very important concepts of metals and non-metals. Okay. Just list out the metals and non-metals if you are observing your homes or in your surroundings. In the next class we will continue. Okay. Thank you.